Hello everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is extra special because we are going on a trip. There is a resort called Hidden Village जो शाहपुर में है. We have already been there actually and we really like that place, so we are going again. Actually पहले जब भी गए थे बहुत पहले गए थे, I think at least एक साल पहले, and we are revisiting it. I really wanted to go on a trip just us. I think पहले गए थे, that was just after a wedding, like a month after a wedding or something. उसके बाद अब जा रहे हैं just us. We usually travel in a group and I love our group. It's amazing. They are such fun people to hang out with. This is also nice, right? It's needed. Like the couples go on a trip on a very nice fancy location. This is a very nice location, by the way. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna stop blabbering now because we are getting late. Let's go. Just quickly wanted to show you guys my outfit. I'm just wearing a sweatshirt. This is from H&M and Treggings is from Cooves. I just wanted to be comfortable because bike पे जाने वाले हैं हम लोग. It's going to be dusty, windy. Just wanted to be comfortable and I just put my hair in a bun. As I said, bike पे जाने वाले हैं, बाल बहुत खराब हो जाते हैं if I keep it down, and I'm gonna wrap it up with some scarf. So yeah, that's gonna be the OOTD. Very comfortable, very chic. And are you excited? Yes. This is what he's wearing. Ride for the day. We've just took a pit stop to get some food. Ride बहुत ही लंबा होने वाला है, at least 2 hours. So yeah. अभी हम लोग लगा रहे हैं मैप.
Yes.
चलो. This is the place where we were almost gonna get married.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Currently stopped to drink some ganna juice. कैसा था राइड?
ये रास्ते से नहीं आने का.
एक्चुअली
ये हाईवे के रोड से आओ.
हाईवे का रोड इज बेटर. हम लोग ये वाले रास्ते से आए जो गांव का रास्ता है, और
वज्रेश्वरी अंबाड़ी रोड.
वज्रेश्वरी अंबाड़ी रोड से आए, और रोड बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा खड्डे हैं एंड एवरीथिंग. सीनरी इज़ गुड बट द रोड इज़ ऑफुल. आई थिंक ये हाईवे वाला ये रास्ता लेना. अभी हम लोग हाईवे कनेक्ट होके विल रीच.
Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home.
सो दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस. अभी रात हो गया तो दिखेगा नहीं, सुबह मैं प्रॉपरली दिखाऊंगी. इट्स लिटरली हिडन एज द नेम सेज, एंड पूरा आपको विलेज वाली वाइब्स देगा, एज यू कैन सी. सो वी हैव जस्ट रीच्ड. My face is feeling so bad. It's all covered with dirt and I'm looking like a hot mess. So I'm gonna quickly take a shower. The room looks really nice. I'm gonna give you guys a proper tour in the morning. अभी night है, light भी यहाँ का इतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो I don't think आप लोगों को इतने अच्छे से दिखेगा. I tried but the light is just awful, so I don't think so. मैं अभी आपको room दिखाऊंगी, but it's looking really good. Again, it's not like a proper hotel. It's more of like a village. The name is Hidden Village, so थोड़ा गाँव type feeling है, but the washroom is really good, which I'm gonna show you guys in the morning. This is how the outside balcony area looks. Very spacious. यहाँ पर एक खटिया भी दिया हुआ है. Okay. Nice area to sit and chill. And the best, double hot tub. I actually wanted to get a bath bomb for this tub, but वो मुझे मिला नहीं. And this is what we got. This is for the kids, वो bubble निकालने के लिए. And वो उसने बोला कि यही use करते हैं for some reason. So let's see if it works or not.
Savannah,
just took a nice bubble bath, washed my hair, feel so relaxed. Now we are heading out to get some dinner. So this is what you got. I didn't get any non-veg because मैंने just chicken खाया तो मुझे non-veg नहीं चाहता. This is mixed veg. This is chawli की भाजी. One more veg, thesa, vegetables, papad, bhakri. He got some chicken. How is it?
Veg bhaji is good.
Good.
Chicken
And he's
and-
watching match instead of spending time with me.
Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
The next morning.
Good morning, everybody. Right now, we're super hungry, so we're going to grab some breakfast.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
I got a vada, misal pav, and some chutneys. He got bhaji, pav, chapati. Let me show you guys the property around. वहाँ से आप enter करोगे and this is the main entrance. यहाँ पर आपको hidden village का sign and logo यहाँ पर दिख जाएगा. And this is the main entrance, like an entrance to a village. और यहीं पर parking area है, which is a good enough big parking area. Also, as the name suggests, this is literally hidden. आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा ये वाला एरिया ढूंढने के लिए बिकॉज ये मेन रास्ते को लग के देर इज़ नो साइन और नथिंग ऑन द मेन रोड, सो यू हैव टू कम इन दिस ये वाले गली से विच इज़ गोना बी a little bit challenging. As soon as you enter, you're gonna see a lot of birds. There are two cute little guinea pigs. How cute! Meh.
Come here.
You see those big beasts? And there is a pool right there, which I'm gonna show you guys in a while. So this is the pool area. If you come with a big group and stuff, you can definitely play over here. There's a cricket space right here. Badminton या फिर volleyball यहाँ खेल सकते हो. So good enough space for a group of people. They do have a spa place as well. So if you want, you can definitely check it out. If you move a little ahead, there is this little space जहाँ पर छोटे-छोटे fishies है where you can get your pedicure, which we will get in a while. So you can literally dip your legs over there and small fishies will come and eat your dead skin. And on this side, the cute little ducks. And यहाँ से वो वहाँ पर हमारा रूम है. Okay, so this is Cupid house and that one is Venus. That's the house that we have taken. It's definitely a hike to reach here. So this is the entrance to our vada. As soon as you enter, this is what you see. You can definitely sit over here and hang out with your friends. Let me give you guys a room tour. Room थोड़ा गंदा है because हम रात को आए थे और अब सुबह हो चुकी है. So as soon as you enter, this is what you see. There's a little side table, switches and stuff. And this is the bed. Again, the interior and everything is not like a luxurious hotel. It has a very home kind of vibe to it, and there is a nice full length mirror where you can see me, and there's a painting. When you move straight ahead, there is a small mini fridge which is great to keep all the beverages and stuff, and then there is a little bit of cabinet where there is a kettle and stuff. यहाँ पर washroom है, which is good. The first thing I see whenever I enter a hotel or any resort is the washroom clean. This was really clean और सब दिया हुआ था, कुछ मांगने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़े हम लोगों को. So yeah, this is the washroom. As soon as you walk in, here's the shower area. और यहाँ पर like rain shower वाला head है, and there is a full length mirror right over here. और यहाँ से wash shower area से you can actually see the whole room. Yeah, there is a पर्दा अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो, but you can open it up so your partner can see you while having a shower. So that's great. So this is the bathroom area, and bathroom area के बाजू में there is a TV console, a little dining nook I guess, or just a table to keep your stuff. And यहाँ पर there is a little small sofa again where you can keep your stuff. That's what we are doing. And bed को लग के there's another small wardrobe area right there. And this is the outdoor area. There is a khatiya right over here which is very cute, a very village kinda. And ये lights जो है रात में बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं. And over here again there is a great seating space if you want to sit and chill with your friends, eat something. And the best part about this room, and the reason why I got this room, is this double bathtub. मुझे actually bath bomb चाहिए था, but this is what we got because bath bomb मिला नहीं, and I wanted something that will bubble up. So this is great. We also bought some rose petals which I will add later once this all fills up. रात को भी डाला था हम लोगों ने थोड़ा इसके लिए. You will see all this residue which will go back in. So this is cute, romantic. You can add some scented candles around. Again, I didn't get it, so bummer.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
We quickly went and got some lunch. I got some salad, bhakri. This is, I think, curry with some pakoda and gobi, vatana and batata, I think. And this is custard salad. That's all I got. There was fish. जो मीठे पानी का फिश रहता है वो था जो मुझे पसंद नहीं, so I didn't get it. And अंडा करी भी है जो अजिंक्य ने लिया है. And I got only veg थाली. लंच हो चुका है. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. सिर्फ मुझे कपड़ा बदलना बाकी है. पैकिंग वैकिंग सब हो चुका है. थोड़ा एक मेजर फकअप हो गया था. हम लोगों को कीज नहीं मिल रहा था हमारे बाइक का, एंड दैट ऑल्सो वी स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फाइंडिंग द की. एट द एंड वो बैग में ही था, एक पॉकेट में. सो उसके पीछे भी बहुत सारा टेंशन और भागा दौड़ी हो गया. एवरीथिंग इज पैक्ड. वी आर गुड टू गो. So थोड़ा टाइम बाकी है. I thought let's explore the property, and there's one place I still want to visit. So let's go.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
And this is what we're wearing. Very similar pant, just a different sweatshirt from H&M. I think this is from H&M. And I think you're wearing Zudio ka na?
Yes. No, not Zudio.
Then?
Central, I think I bought. I don't remember the name of the brand.
Very comfortable for the travel, and it's time to say bye-bye to the room. Bye. Ending the day with some bhel and coffee. Coffee liya na tune? How is it?
It's good. I will have tea. How is it?
It's good.
Okay.
it's time to leave. The trip has ended, so I'm gonna end this vlog over here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I really enjoyed the stay, and all the information about this resort and जो भी info आपको चाहिए रहेगा, it will be in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. With that said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.